In a village named Serenitopia, nestled among misty hills, there resided a venerable Zen master known as Sensei Hiroshi. His snow-white beard cascaded like a waterfall, and his eyes sparkled with ancient insights. People journeyed from distant places to seek his guidance in deciphering the enigma of existence. One sunny morning, a curious traveler named Luna arrived at Sensei Hiroshi's modest abode. Her soul was burdened by life's intricate complexities, and she yearned for answers. Sensei Hiroshi greeted her with a welcoming smile and served her a cup of fragrant tea. "Master," Luna began, "I am adrift in the tumultuous sea of life. I know not how to attain tranquility." Sensei Hiroshi calmly poured tea into Luna's cup, which overflowed, spilling onto the table. Luna gasped, "Master, the cup is full. It can hold no more." Sensei Hiroshi nodded sagely. "Precisely, dear Luna. Your mind is akin to this cup, brimming with worries and desires. To discover serenity, you must empty it." Luna meditated upon his words, gradually comprehending the profundity of the lesson. She spent weeks under Sensei Hiroshi's tutelage, learning to silence her thoughts and embrace life's simplicity. With time, she unearthed the peace she had long been seeking. Upon her departure, Luna expressed her heartfelt gratitude to Sensei Hiroshi, her heart awash with thankfulness for the Zen master's timeless wisdom. The wisdom of letting go and discovering tranquility in life's simplicity.